If you're looking for an affordable and beginner-friendly keyboard, the RockJam Compact 61-key keyboard, RJ361, is a great option. Welcome back to my Auto MT channel. Designed for new learners, hobbyists, and even kids, this keyboard comes with a variety of features including 200 sounds, 200 rhythms, 10 demo songs, sustain and vibrato functions, and record/playback capabilities. With an exclusive Simply Piano app trial, note stickers for easy learning, and a compact, lightweight design, this keyboard offers an excellent balance of functionality, ease of use, and affordability. But how does it actually perform? Let's take a closer look. Design and build quality. The RockJam 61-key keyboard is designed to be lightweight and portable, making it easy to move around the house or take on the go. The compact size is ideal for small spaces, and despite its lightweight build, it feels sturdy and well constructed. The key size is slightly smaller than traditional piano keys, which might take some getting used to, but it's comfortable enough for both kids and adults. The included sheet music stand is a nice touch, especially for learners following along with lessons. Additionally, the note stickers help beginners identify notes quickly, improving muscle memory and making it easier to transition to a real piano later on. However, some users have noted that the keys don't feel as solid or responsive as higher-end keyboards, and while they are not weighted, they do provide a decent playing experience for beginners. Sound quality and features. With 200 instrument sounds, 200 rhythms, and 10 built-in demo songs, this keyboard offers a great variety of musical exploration. Beginners can experiment with different tones, while the sustain and vibrato functions allow for more expressive playing. However, some customers have mentioned that while the keyboard sounds decent, it doesn't perfectly mimic the sound of a real piano. The built-in speakers are loud enough, but the sound quality could be more refined, especially for more advanced players who are used to a richer, fuller piano sound. That being said, for the price, the range of sounds and features is impressive. The record and playback function is another useful tool for learners who want to track their progress and hear their own playing. User experience and learning tools. For beginners, the RockJam 61-key keyboard is very user-friendly. It's plug-and-play, meaning you can start using it right out of the box without any complicated setup. One of the best features for new learners is the Simply Piano app trial, which provides guided lessons and interactive learning tools. Many users appreciate this addition, as it helps them learn step by step rather than just experimenting on their own. The headphone jack is another great feature, allowing users to practice quietly without disturbing others. This makes it ideal for families, students, and anyone who prefers private practice sessions. However, some customers have noted a few drawbacks, including musical note keys are not weighted, so they don't feel like a real piano. Musical note sound quality is good but not perfect. Some describe it as 80% like a piano rather than an exact match. Musical note selecting sounds and rhythms can be a bit clunky, as it requires navigating through buttons rather than direct selection. That said, these issues are minor for beginners and the overall experience remains positive. Pros and cons. White heavy checkmark. Pros. Heavy checkmark, great value for money. Lots of features at an affordable price. Heavy checkmark, compact and lightweight, perfect for small spaces and portability. Heavy checkmark includes Simply Piano app trial, ideal for beginners who need guided lessons. Heavy checkmark, 200 instrument sounds, 200 rhythms, and demo songs, plenty of variety for creative play. Heavy checkmark, record and playback function, helpful for tracking progress. Heavy checkmark, headphone jack for private practice. Heavy checkmark, piano note stickers included, makes learning easier for kids and beginners. Crossmark. Cons. Crossmark keys are not weighted, doesn't provide the full feel of an acoustic piano. Crossmark sound quality is decent but not perfect. Some say it lacks depth and realism. Crossmark navigating settings and sounds isn't the most intuitive. Crossmark keys are slightly smaller than standard piano keys. Final verdict. Who should buy it? The RockJam 61-key keyboard is an excellent choice for beginners, kids, and casual players looking for an affordable and feature-packed keyboard. It's perfect for those who want to learn piano without investing in an expensive instrument. With its wide variety of sounds, built-in rhythms, and Simply Piano app trial, it provides a solid foundation for learning and practicing. The compact size and headphone jack also make it great for home practice without taking up too much space. However, if you're a more advanced player looking for weighted keys or a truly realistic piano sound, this might not be the best option for you. The sound quality is good but not professional grade, and the keys don't offer the same response as a real piano. That said, for $79.99, it's one of the best beginner keyboards available. Whether you're buying it for a child, a new learner, or even as a fun second keyboard, it's a fantastic value for the price.